Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a super simple but absolutely delicious dish, garlic vermicelli. Just look at this. It's glossy, fragrant, and that garlicky aroma will make your whole kitchen smell amazing. Light, savory, and so satisfying. Alright, let's get started. First, chop up a good amount of garlic. Now here's a little trick. I like to rinse it with some water and let it soak for a bit. This makes the garlic taste more mellow and less sharp. Set that aside. Next, slice up some fresh chili peppers. I'm using some bird's eye chilies for heat. And a little red bell pepper for color. Now back to the garlic. It's been soaking long enough, so drain it well. That's all the prep we need. Let's move on to cooking. Bring a wok of water to a boil. Toss in the vermicelli, along with a teaspoon of salt. When the water comes back to a boil, rinse it under cold water so it doesn't get sticky. Now heat some oil in the wok. Add about 2/3 of the garlic. And let it slowly fry on low heat until it starts turning golden. Then toss in the rest of the garlic, along with the chilies and red bell pepper. The aroma right now is incredible. Time to season. Add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of MSG, and a teaspoon of sugar. Then add about 10 grams of oyster sauce. Give it a quick stir. Keep frying until everything comes together into a rich, garlicky sauce. Turn off the heat and stir in 1.5 tablespoons of seasoned soy sauce for seafood. That gives it a deep umami flavor. Now, drain the vermicelli well. Pour the sauce right over and mix until every strand is coated. Sprinkle over some fresh scallions. Give it a final toss, and that's it. Time for a taste. Oh wow, it's fragrant. Honestly, the smell along with noodles is hard to wait. The noodles are silky, garlicky, a little spicy, just perfect. It's super easy to make. You've got to try this one at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.